Welcome to the AmazingRibs.com virtual showroom. This is part 1, a walk around and inspection of Bertello's Outdoor Pizza Oven Everything Bundle with AmazingRibs.com's Dave Youakim. You can read part 2, an in-depth review of all the strengths and weaknesses after running temperature tests and cooking on it on AmazingRibs.com at the link in this video. This cooker was sent to us by the manufacturer. Please note that we don't charge to review products. When we're done testing, manufacturers sometimes pick them up, sometimes we give them to fire departments or charities, but we never sell them. Here we have the Bertello Outdoor Pizza Oven Everything Bundle. The oven is compact and portable, with fold-out legs on all 4 corners, and a propane burner insert in the back. Bertello allows you to use gas or wood. Very simple. Turn this on. It automatically lights. You can see the heat diffuser over the burner through this back door. Lift it off. There's the burner. The diffuser will also hold wood. So you can cook with both wood and gas. Just pop the wood in to add a little smoke. This door holds in heat. The bundle also comes with a wood tray if you choose not to use the propane insert and go wood only. You build a fire in the tray. A Bertello infrared thermometer is included. And these handy tongs. And a nice pizza peel. And you get an outdoor cover. Come around the front. The pizza stone is about 12 by 13 inches, just big enough for a personal size pizza. All in all, a nice, compact unit for backyard pizza cooking at a reasonable price. Part 2 of our review is a hands-on detailed report on AmazingRibs.com at the link in the video. For more virtual showroom videos, cooking demonstrations, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking, please subscribe to our email newsletter, Smoke Signals. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Be sure to check out Meathead's amazing rubs and sauce. Or best of all, try a free 30-day trial membership in our Pitmaster Club. Because AmazingRibs.com is the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the universe.